President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., Madam First Lady, Attorney Luis Lisa Araneta Marcos, distinguished guest, good morning. Isa pong napakalaking karangalan para sa akin bilang gobernador ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte na baging bahagi ng inaugurasyon ng ating matagal na pangarap, ang Panguil Bay Bridge. Matapos ang mahabang paghihintay, natapos din natin ang tulay na nag-uugnay sa Lanao del Norte at Misamis Occidental. The project is the realization of a long-held aspiration of my father, the late Governor Arsenio Arcelo Quebranza, and the late Mayor Alfonso Tan of Tangub City. However, the initial steps began through the dedicated efforts of then Governor Abdullah Dimacuta Dimaporo, who availed of the loan from the Japanese International Cooperation Agency, or JICA, through MDFO to fund a feasibility study for constructing a bridge that would connect Lanao del Norte and Misamis Occidental. A bridge that would connect Lanao del Norte and Misamis Occidental, which is the comprehensive feasibility study not only laid the foundation for the project's development, but also marked a pivotal moment in our more than 3-decade quest to transform this bridge to reality. The completion of the Panguil Bay Bridge represents a significant milestone as it enhances connectivity between the provinces of Lanao del Norte and Misamis Occidental. Sa papamagitan po ng tulay na ito, mas uunlad po ang ating mga negosyo, agrikultura, edukasyon, turismo, kalusugan, investment opportunities, at iba pa. Ang dating mahabang oras po at mataas na pagpila sa ating paglalakbay ay magiging 7 minuto na lamang. At dahil dito, mas mapadali natin ang paghatid ng ating mga produkto at serbisyo, lalo na sa ating magsasaka, upang ang kalidad ng kanilang buhay at bawat isa po sa atin pong maiaangat. Kami po, mahal na Presidente, we produce banana na dinadala po namin not only in Misamis Occidental, but hanggang Cebu and Manila. Kaso po, pagdating ng saging po, nagiging banana ketchup na. At ang aming pong kamatis, pagdating naman po sa mga lugar, nagiging tomato paste na po. Kaya mas madali na rin po para sa ating mga mag-aaral at guro sa pagpunta sa kanilang mga paaralan. Hindi po tayo mahihirapan na mag-avail ng mga serbisyong medikal at pangkalusugan, lalo na sa panahon ng emergency. At sa mga madali na po, at sa mga tao pong tatanawin po ng mga turista, ang mga magagandang tanawin at destinasyon na meron po ang Misamis Occidental at ang Lanao del Norte. Overall, the bridge promises to drive socio-economic growth and improve quality of life, not only in the region, but in the entire island of Mindanao. This project is a shining example of how the Bagong Pilipinas campaign can transform lives and communities. For me, the Bagong Pilipinas campaign is not just about infrastructure. It is about creating a principled, accountable, and dependable government that works for the people. As the Governor of Lanao del Norte, I am committed to upholding the principles of the Bagong Pilipinas campaign. I will work tirelessly to ensure that the benefits of this project reach every corner of Lanao del Norte. Together with the guidance and support of our beloved President, we will build a bagong Pilipinas that is strong, resilient, and prosperous. A Philippines where every Filipino can dream and achieve their full potential. Sa ngalan ng mga mamamayan ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte, nais ko pong ipaabot ang taos-pusong pasasalamat sa ating mahal na Pangulo, His Excellency President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. Mr. President, maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Ipinagmamalaki po kong sasabihin na sa inyong administrasyon, ang Lanao del Norte ay isa sa mga laging unang nakikinabang sa mga programa at proyekto ng ating pambansang pamahalaan. My heartfelt thank you to NEDA for their unwavering support and dedication in advocating with the DPWH to secure the necessary funding of this project. And I would like to commend also the former governor, tinatawag ko po itong pandemic RDC chairman. Dahil po, during the pandemic, he was then the RDC chair at kinukulit ko po sila ni RDC Chair Philip. I hope he is with us. I invited him. And NEDA, para po ang ating mga contractors, because of the pandemic, the consultants, the equipments, nahihirapan pong pumasok at nahihirapan pong mag-umpisa. Kaya ito po ngayon, as the RDC Chairman of Region 10, during the height of the COVID-19, Governor Philip, who was the pandemic chair then of Region 10, strongly endorsed the PBB project to ensure the easy and continued transport of equipment and machinery needed by the contractor. To the Nampuang Kokdong Gongwang joint venture, leading for the way of its progress. My appreciation to DPWH, the government of South Korea, through the Korean Export-Import Bank, and all the government agencies and stakeholders who made the construction of the bridge possible. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations sa ating lahat. God bless you. Mahal na Presidente, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas!